Hello, I'm Laurence Russell from Satellite Evolution Group here at Asia Tech Singapore with David Gelerman from SpaceBridge. David, how's the show going?
It's a great show. It's nice to be back in this part of the world and meet our old friends and customers and partners whom we were not be able to see for several years, 2 years to be more precise. And unfortunately, there are still some countries are shut down, like China, like Hong Kong, and very few people came because of restrictions and quarantine after travel. I hope next year it would be even more successful.
Definitely. On the panel that you were on day one, you said no one on the ground has future-proof technology for the next generation of satellites. How do you plan ahead for innovations that don't exist yet?
Tricky question. Well, we plan in advance, we follow our vision and our understanding of future market requirements, which shaping up from talking to our customers, talking to other vendors of not just ground infrastructure but also satellite builders. And based on our understanding, we creating our roadmap and we're following it.
Wonderful. You said that there's more interoperable open standards now. It's beginning to be enforced across the industry. How do we accelerate that kind of cooperation?
Okay, there are standards and there are standards. There are specific standards and there are generic standards. Everybody now jumping on a bandwagon and say we have to be 5G compliant, take 5G stock and this and that. And to a certain degree it makes sense. If somebody wants to communicate from satellite directly to your handheld device, yes, they have to be 5G compliant from end to end, including satellite, including even physical interface, because we are interfacing to your device which doesn't understand anything but mobile interface, and you should consider it as a base station or run in the sky, and this is how everything has to be compatible. On the other hand, a large amount of business like we in, it's in a cellular backhaul where we need to carry 5G traffic. So yes, we need to be compatible from end to end with 5G. So as far as virtualization, as far as MEF, Metro Ethernet Forum compliant standards, but in between terminal what we produce and satellite and hub what we produce, we have to be compliant to different standards. For instance, satellites, if it's smart satellite today, it's not designed for 5G waveforms. It's designed for satellite waveforms like DVB-S2X, or if it's on-board processing RCS2 and so on. So we have no choice but to adhere to our standards in this case. And so we need to merge standards and make them interoperable end-to-end. And if you want to make terminals interoperable, then we in between also have to be adhering to satellite standards like DVB-S2X on forward links and RCS2 known open standard and return.
So how do you see these conversations progress in Asia specifically? How does SpaceBridge approach the APAC market?
We're doing what we're doing all the time and what we're doing best. We're serving our customers the best way we can, and they appreciate the value proposition and quality of our products. We just being here in Singapore, we just closed 2 big deals and over $10 million, and now we need to execute them.
Wonderful. David Gelerman, thank you very much for your time today.
You're very welcome.